Hello there. This is how to sign a document on Dropbox. So first thing you need to do is just upload the document. I have the document saved right here. So I'll just drag it and drop it. And it'll just take a moment for it to upload. Now, once that's uploaded successfully, you can just click on signatures on the left-hand side here. And then scroll down till you find this sign yourself button. Click on that. Then choose the document that you want to sign. Click on choose. Then once it's loaded up, this pop-up is going to appear. So for you to enter your signature. So you could either draw your signature, type it in, upload it from your photos, or use one of the saved signatures on Dropbox. So I'll just do that. I clicked on it. Then I'm going to click on insert. Then you're just going to insert it into the document. So wherever you want to insert it, I'll just click it right here. And then if you want to change the size, if you want to kind of edit the signature, you can do that. Just click on this edit icon. And then you're just going to need to click on the signature itself, but it'll just take a moment for it to load up. But you're going to see a border appear around the signature. All right, here we go. So this border appears. You can control the signature's size, kind of change it up a little bit, change the location of it on the document. And yeah, that is pretty much it when it comes to signing a document on Dropbox. Hope that video is helpful.